Thank you. It's still Oja M. Please, if you have not subscribed on this channel, please do me a very big favor by subscribing to this channel. Hit the red button and subscribe on this channel. On this video, I am going to teach you on how to bring out the soprano notations of this flute, the soprano notations of Oja. Like we have do, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, something like that. So, but for now, we will be stopping at la. So this is now. Let's go. This is do. This is re. This is mi. This is fa. This is so. This is la. So something like this. Now for you to get them, you close the up, all of them. This is do. Now one like this, you close only one. This is re. Now you close all of them. This is mi. Now you close up and down, one up and one down. This is fa. Then this is so, you close only the down. This is so, then you leave all of them. This is la. So now if you can be able to run the scales on your flute, you can be able to get it correctly. So now let's just try again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, so you still return back again. So please master the sounds very well. You can just do like this. Do re, do re, do re, do re, do re, do re, do re. You can do it more than 15 minutes. Do re, do re, do re. Then you not do. So something like this. So continue practicing. By the help of the Holy Spirit, you will get it. So I wish you good luck, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. It's still Oja M.